Okay, there it is. That is Brewer Machinery's base for the chain, their chain tensioner. This piece and this piece, and they also give you the nut that comes with it. And you know, it has the teeth on it, so a lot of adjustability there. So I just added my own half-inch threaded rod with a Azusa $9 Eiler, which has an internal bearing in it, with some jam nuts and lock washers on a threaded rod, half-inch threaded rod. Now, as I mentioned maybe in the other video, one of the issues here is the bore inside here is 3/4 inches. It actually comes, like I said, 0.73, 0.74, so it's slightly less than 3/4. So I just drilled it out with the 3/4 inch bit. Okay, and then I took one of these bad boys here, which I talked about before in another video also. I got these from Horton Welter series. They're about 1.5 inches or 1 5/8 long. They're 3/4 inches on the outside diameter, and the inside diameter is 1/2 inch. Well, that's perfect because it fits right over the 1/2 inch threaded rod. Look at that, perfectly. Okay, and then since I drilled out this bore here to 3/4 inches, it fits in there. So what, even though you don't see it in this video, what's inside here is one of those bad boys right there. Just cut down the size, you know, far as length, I mean. It's like maybe a, you know, 3/4 of an inch in there instead of 1 inch and 5/8 length. So I just took the grinder, the cutoff blade, and cut it down to the right length, and just hit it with a file a little bit and cleaned up a little bit. So that's what's sitting in there, and that's why the 1/2 inch threaded rod adapts fine to the to this you know, chain tensioner base. So again, if you guys are interested in cats running around in here, neighborhood cat coming to visit, comes in here, says hello to me once in a while, looking for food. So if you guys are looking for this part number, like I said, Brewer Machinery, they're on the internet, and this GSM part number, you get both plus the bolt. And then from there, just pick up some 1/2 inch threaded rod, a cheapy little Eiler. This is 19 teeth, I think. Okay. Remember that I'm using 35 chain profile, not 40. Some jam nuts, lock washer, and you know, get yourself some steel tube that's 3/4 outside, 1/2 inch inside. So that's that. Worked out really good. Got plenty of adjustability, so I can move this along, and I still have these holes right here, the mounting holes. They're 3/8 of an inch instead of 1/2 inch. So I'm just going to go pick up some more threaded rod because I don't have 3/8 in here, and just build some standoffs. You know, basically, sorry, more like this right here. Just be 3-inch threaded rod instead of 1/2 inch, and then I'll just, you know, put them in the hole there with the lock washers and the nuts, jam nuts, so that I can have this distance from the side of, well, I can't see, it's dark in here tonight, but so I can have this stand off, you know, as far as I need from the gearbox, plus that. So I wish I could say that my super duper idea for chain tensioner was going to work great. I think it would have worked, but it would have been, you know, not as flexible as I liked because the granularity wasn't good enough. So this is going to work out better. And now with using these parts, it's more affordable, though I still wouldn't say it's cheap. So there you go. When I have it all hooked up and chain rolling, I'll let you guys see it. As a matter of fact, I already have a little bit of chain on this one. Okay, going to the little sprocket. And so even though it doesn't have the proper chain tensioning, it's doing its thing here. Pretty cool. So once I get that tensioner on there, that'll solve the slack that we're seeing down here. A lot of slack here. And then I just got to do that one over to the little guy there. Do the same thing. Okay, the video's getting long, so check with you guys later. Thanks for hanging with me as usual.